Hey everybody, how are you? And I do have a Dollar Tree haul. Look at this beautiful box. I love this one. I probably like this one the best of all this year. And then look at these beautiful flowers from Dollar Tree. I cannot believe it. And you know I love the Mackenzie Child, and the Mackenzie Child uses a lot of this really lime green. So I'll be using that. And the purples, I decorate with purple in my living room, my formal living room, and the creams and greens, all of these, this deep green and the creams, so I'll be putting those probably in there. These will go with my Mackenzie Child. I also got some of these felt hearts, and I'll be using these, I don't know exactly how right now. I'm not having a bunch of luck yet with the fairy donuts and cupcakes and everything else that they have, but I did have these, so whatever I see, I pick up, obviously, because if you don't, but look at these tiny little cupcakes, isn't that cute? And the little ice cream sundaes, so those are going to be cute. I also got some of these little candy cups, or, well, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'll probably make some candies, but the black and white polka dot is very signature for Mackenzie Child. Also, these socks, and I'll probably do a gnome with those. This love plaque, they didn't have the other love that was more of a boxed letter type, but this will work fine. Then I found this candy mold from Rosanna Pansino, and this is hit and miss. Cake box in this, and there was one on the hook, and I took it, and it's hearts. Also got some of the napkins that match this, and this is probably going to be my favorite pattern that they have this year. I also saw these shadow boxes, and I'm going to be making something with these, and this will be out throughout the year. This isn't necessarily for Valentine's, it's just going to be a DIY. And I got 3 different kinds for $1. I got some of these hearts, and I'll get another one in the red. I'll probably get one more. Then I got this heart tin, and this is the one I like the least. So I got the one I like the least because I will do a faux cake from this tin. I have one of these that I got last year. It's a different design on the front, but I'll do a little DIY very fast with this. Bought another heart frame. I use these all the time, and if you've stayed with me for any length of time, you've seen me use these. Some more tea lights to go with my DIYs or my decor. And then I saw a DIY made with a couple of these strainers, so I got a little one and a couple big ones I'll be showing you. I bought this because it has a little tea light and it lights up, and I'll probably decoupage on this. I thought that was cute. I always pick up a couple of the candle holders when I go, because sometimes mine doesn't have them for quite some time. And when I really like a sticker, I will pick it up, and this one I really thought was pretty. And I found one of the fairy decor pieces, and it's the ice cream truck. That's the only one I found, and I want to find all of them. Okay, a few more things. Like I told you with the little one, I saw a really cute DIY with these strainers from the Dollar Tree, which I will be showing you. Really cute. And then I got some of these wood planks. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I will use them for some kind of DIY. Some more socks. I don't know if I'll use these for a gnome or if I'll wear this one. This, I think I'm intending for a gnome, but they're so soft you almost want to wear them. I don't know. We'll see. Then I got these beads, and I'll use these for a DIY, but I'll paint them. I'm not going to leave them this color. I always love their notepads. They are so pretty. Let's figure out the groceries. And there's figs. It's the purple and the dark eggplant, which I love. And then here is this one, and this one has a calendar with it, which is cool. And you can take it off each month, which I thought was really nice. Got this, this kitchen is seasoned with love, and it reminds me of Mackenzie Child, so when I see something like that, I add it to what I have, and it works well. Then I got these boxes because I saw a DIY, I think it was on Pinterest, and I don't know if I'll use it for Valentine's, Decor, or Easter. I think I'm going to do Easter with these. Then I got a white chalk pen, because these are really good from Dollar Tree, just like the gold ones I told you about. I got a couple of these bandanas, just to have them, black and white. I thought that was cute. And then look at these stickers, the bees, because you know how much I love the bees. So they have the bees and the ladybugs. Thought those were cute. Another candlestick, because for the longest time I couldn't find these candlesticks, and I used them for so many DIYs. Then I got one of these herb rockets. But I want to find the rest of them. I have a tomato, and this is dill. So I'll plant those, because planting season's just about to hit us. Got some heart doilies for my decor, and when you make candies or baking or DIYs. More batteries, you know me. I'm always getting batteries. Then I got the giant stickers, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but they are so pretty, and look how many you get. Then they had this, and I thought this would be cool, even if I didn't do anything to it, just to put pictures on or a saying up in my craft room. So I thought that was cute. Some more of these hearts. Then I got 3 more of these, and these are a little bit different than last year's, and these are going to go in my decor, which you'll be seeing. I'm going to do a home tour. So I got 3 of those. And then just a wooden heart. And some bigger paper doilies. And a couple terracotta pots that I'm going to paint. So that's it, guys. Thank you for being you. And remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.